Hi everyone, Olivia here, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to a game-changing product that could completely transform how you care for your feet, Xitox footpads. If you struggle with foot fatigue, daily stress, or even unpleasant foot odor, then you'll definitely want to stick around. What I'm about to share might be the natural solution you've been looking for. Xitox footpads are specially designed to give your feet the care and relaxation they truly deserve. Made with 100% organic plant-based ingredients, they work while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep. Just apply them to the soles of your feet before bedtime and let the magic happen overnight. But how do they work? Each foot pad contains a powerful blend of natural ingredients that help to detoxify your feet, improve circulation, and eliminate toxins from the body. As you rest, the pads get to work, drawing out impurities and supporting your body's natural healing process. The result? You wake up feeling refreshed, more energized, and with noticeably happier, healthier feet. Whether you're on your feet all day, dealing with soreness, or simply want to improve your sleep and overall wellness, Xitox foot pads could be the solution you didn't know you needed. They're also super easy to use. Just place the pads on clean, dry feet before bed. Wear them through the night and remove them in the morning. You'll start noticing results in just a few days. A full cycle typically lasts 5 days, followed by a week-long break. For best results, it's ideal to continue this in cycles. Now, if you want lasting benefits, I strongly recommend grabbing at least 3 bottles so you can complete multiple cycles without interruption. That way, your feet stay consistently supported. What I love most is that Xitox foot pads are made with all natural ingredients. No chemicals, no irritation, and they're super gentle, even on sensitive skin. So not only do they help relieve foot stress, pain, and odor, but they also promote smoother skin and better overall comfort. Thousands of people have already tried Xitox, and the feedback is amazing. People are sleeping better, feeling more energized, and enjoying noticeable relief in their feet. And here's the best part. Xitox offers a 365-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you don't love the results, you get your money back. Simple as that. So if you're ready to give your feet the care they truly deserve, click the link in the description or the first comment to get your supply directly from the official website. That way, you'll avoid counterfeit products and get the full benefits and guarantee. Don't wait. Your feet will thank you.